Today we'll be learning about effective Dart, naming of acronyms and abbreviations tutorial. So in this one, capitalized acronyms can be hard to read and adjacent acronyms can lead to ambiguous names. For example, we have HTTPS FTP. So this can be either HTTPS FTP, that is Hypertext Transfer Protocol Secure, and then File Transfer Protocol, or HTTP and then SFTP. So these kind of confusions can occur. So let's read about how to name acronyms and abbreviations. We capitalize them like regular words. For example, we have HTTP connection, then we abbreviate it as H capital, TTP small, and connection. And we have HTTP connection, like we capitalize the whole word of HTTP. That is a bad convention. So we should be doing like that. So we are following upper camel casing here, just like the regular words. Now let's discuss about more examples. DBIO port. So I see two words here, DB, which is for database, and IO, which is for input output. So I name it as DBIO port only rather than B small and O small. Why? Because if we have to capitalize them like other words, if they are longer than 2 letters, okay, but this is just 2 letters, okay. So for example, DB is something like that. It's an acronym for database, and IO is an acronym for input output. However, the ID is an abbreviation for identification, similar to doctor's abbreviation is DR. So that will be written like that. So DB and IO are both acronyms. So 2-letter acronyms we are fully capitalizing. So D, capital B, capital I, capital O. That is the right thing. And D, small b, I, small o is the wrong thing. Now let's talk about TV VCR. Again, tele plus vision. So it's a acronym, okay. So it is all capitalized, T, capital V. Now let's come to Mr. Rogers. Okay, so this is not an acronym. This is Mr. is abbreviated as MR. So hence we name it as MR, M capitals, R small, and Rogers. Okay. Now similarly in the smaller case, so this is like variable, so it is using a lower camel case rather than TTP capital, and same with the UI handler, and again the user ID. So ID is an abbreviation for identification, okay. So hence we are not capitalizing both I and D, and just I is capitalized here, and same with this small ID. So this is all small, not capitalized. So I hope you understood the intricate differences between how to write, capitalize the acronyms and abbreviations. So hope you like the video. Please like, share, and subscribe. Thank you, friends.